Is your microphone not working in Zoom? Whether people can't hear you, Zoom isn't detecting your microphone, or your audio keeps cutting out during meetings, there are several ways to fix the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom microphone not working in 2026. First, make sure your microphone is properly connected. If you're using a headset, external microphone, or USB device, verify that all cables and connections are secure. Open your computer's privacy settings and confirm that Zoom has permission to access your microphone. Without permission, Zoom won't be able to capture your voice. Open Zoom settings and go to the audio section. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, especially if multiple audio devices are connected to your computer. Use Zoom's built-in microphone test feature to check whether audio is being detected. Speak into the microphone and watch the input level meter for activity. Applications such as Teams, Discord, Skype, recording software, or web browsers may already be using the microphone. Close those apps and test Zoom again. Close Zoom completely and reopen it. If the issue continues, install the latest Zoom updates and update your audio drivers through your operating system. Open a voice recorder app or another communication application to confirm the microphone works correctly. If it fails everywhere, the issue may be with the microphone itself. And that's how to fix Zoom microphone not working in 2026. By checking permissions, selecting the correct audio device, and testing your microphone, you can solve most audio issues quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get your voice heard clearly in your next Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching.